Morning, class 6. Today we will learn about the differences between the maps, globes and sketch and planes. For starting with the globe, what is the globe? You know that globe is a round object which gives a spherical shape like an arc with the help of map of the world that is printed on the surface. It is done so that we can understand how the earth rotates and which part of the earth is receiving good amount of sunlight, which part is how the sunlight is receiving, why the northern pole get more sunlight than the southern pole in certain time. So it is a replica or three-dimensional model of earth. And the map on it is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. Globe is good, but there are some disadvantages of globe also. Globe is good regarding it is the earth is revolving, we can understand which part of the earth is having what we can understand, but there are some disadvantages also. Being a three-dimensional representation model of the earth, it is accurate, but in it only one part, the part which we are seeing, we can see that only. The other half of the globe we cannot see. For instance, here is the map. Here we are seeing this part also, and if it is coming in a round form, for instance, if this is the map, so this part we can see, but the other part, this part we will not be able to see at that same time. But if it is on a flat surface like this, then we can see the whole thing at a time. If it is like this, it is round, so we can see only the one part. We cannot see the whole world together. Next, it shows the distribution and continents and ocean accurately. This is the advantage. All these details cannot be marked in a globe. This is the disadvantage. Lines, latitudes, longitudes are marked on the globe, which help a kid to understand what is longitude, what is latitude, how the equator is running, where from the equator is running, everything. But at the same time, it is very difficult to carry with you. If you go to school, you have to carry on big globe with you for every day. So these are the disadvantages of globe. Next comes sketch. What is sketch? Sketch is the rough drawing showing the locations, few chosen features of these areas. It does not give us the true shape or size or the feature that is drawn on the scale. Distance also not giving properly. Other features are not shown, same portion as it is land. It is not so accurately given. It is just a simple sketch drawn. The sketch is only a rough representation of that area. It is actually used to show people how to go from one place to another. Now this is a sketch. I have drawn, for example, out of sketch is drawn. This is the road, here the railway line, quarters, all is there. So it is, we can say, being a map is an accurate representation of an area. A sketch is a rough representation of an area, drawn only to give the general sense of some features of those areas. Next is plan. Plan is a drawing that shows the horizontal section of a small area or a building. It is drawn to scale. It is useful because it tells us where actually things are to be drawn. A map and a plane are very similar. Okay. Both show area just as it would look when seen from above. That means from the top. A plan is normally drawn on a small area. So while the plan shows a school or a part of the neighbor, the map shows the whole city, district, or state. I am putting this much only. Okay, now let's do one more thing, that is aerial photography. What is aerial photography? Or satellite pictures. This is a tool which are very easy to see a place nowadays. That is the photograph of the earth that is taken by the camera which is mounted on a aircraft, or by an unnamed drone, or by an artificial satellite. Such photographs have been used widely for the preparation of accurate maps, so that the people can get a proper picture of a map and can draw a drawing or any other things regarding researches. Okay, thank you.